My name is Jeremy Switzer. I'm the general manager here at Switzer Son Select Auto and RV Sales. What makes Switzer Son different than other RV dealerships in this area is the attention to detail. Each and every unit we go through thoroughly as we're in the sales process to make sure you're getting the best pre-owned RV for your money. We take more time and effort to make sure the extra things are done that others do not do. We reseal each and every roof. We reseal the corners and edges. We do a multi-point inspection. All of our pre-owned inventory gets inspected twice. An initial inspection when it comes in, and then a final inspection prior to the customer arriving to pick up their unit. We want to make sure that you have the best RV experience available out there, and we want to make sure that there's no additional fees attached to your transaction. So no fees, home of no fees here. Let me tell you a little bit about our story. 23 years ago, my father and I went into business together selling used autos in the Tulsa area. Prior to that, I'd been selling RVs in the local market for 4 years. My heart had always been in the RV business and was continuing to do so even though I was going in a different direction. With that being said, 10 years into the auto industry, we decided we'd get off into the RV world, where my heart was initially. Since then, we've grown to a place now that we have 6 full service bays. We have a full service team with master certified technicians. That way we can take care of all aspects of the sale, from the sales of pre-owned units with exceptional service to the final side of things, which is the maintenance, upkeep, and daily use of the unit. Whatever type of situation you have, from small to major, we can handle it right here. Our no-brainer offer is a complimentary first hour of service labor included in your first service here at Switzer Son Select Auto and RVs. In case you missed it, our no-brainer offer today is a free first hour labor for your first visit here at Switzer Son. Contact us today at 918-299-3361 and visit us online at www.switzerandson.com. Come and see us.